I hope you're doing great. Let's just start the weekly analysis. All right, so I'm looking at Audcad, and as usual guys, I usually start my analysis with from the weekly. So let's get that, hitting that from the weekly, no problem. And let's try to understand what the market is trying to do, guys. All right? So as usual guys, you know how we do it, man. We just need to identify previous low and previous high. Those must be the sensitive zones, right? So let's try to identify. We have this support zone over here. We have to mark that as usual. Then we need to also mark a higher zone like that, right? So for now already we know where the demand and the supply zone is. So let's just go over to the daily. All right, remember this is today is Sunday guys, and we're just preparing for tomorrow's market. That is maybe the whole week, Monday to Friday. Right, so let's just continue. So we are the weekly, so we just need to understand what happened and what price is doing, and also what price or the direction that price might try to go to. Right, so let's continue. So we need to zoom in and try to draw our trend lines. Okay, that's what's up. We need to get that right. Okay, that's right. So let's go back to the H4 again. Let's continue. And what do we see? What do we see at the H4? Let's see. Let's continue, baby. Okay, at the H4 I can see we also had okay, let's first, before heading over to those trends, we need to identify most sensitive zones or the previous zone. So we can see that zone there if we did identify. And also let me see, okay, let's just make this, yeah, that should be more neat over there. So that's that was another resistance over there. So let's draw a trend line over here. You can see what price tried to do over here. That's what's up. Okay, so basically, of course, I can see we are in a downtrend, gang. We're in a downtrend. Okay, so let's just continue. So when I continue zooming in, I can see something. Okay, so over here we had this trend. Okay, we had that trend, and we can see that price went up, bounced off. Okay, yeah, I can see something. We had, actually, let's head over to the H1 for more clarity, gang. Okay, so we can see first, second, and third. Then there was a support over here that price also played around. Okay, so what I can say is that, okay, as usual, we can see price was also, was still in a downtrend. So there was impulse movement correction, then now broke out of that correction. Now price at this zone currently. This is what is happening currently. Okay, let me just do something over here. Rather, just a minute. Okay, let me do this. Yeah, should be this. All right, so let's proceed. So that is what's happening. You can see price still in a consolidation. Okay, but can we get something out of this? Okay, we need to understand that price also played around this zone for some time. Okay, nice. So what is this price trying to tell us? Let's head over to the 15. At the 15, this is what's happening. Okay, so how will we tackle this market? Okay, let's just go back to the H4. Okay, all right, so that's what's up. I can see that price has not gone to touch this zone for the third touch. So probably this is what I'm talking about over here. Oh, sorry guys, that's not what's up. This is what I'm talking about. Like this price touched that before continuing to go to the downside. So that's what's up. All right, so how will we tackle this market? I've seen something once again. Remember, it's just a matter of zooming in clearly and understanding what the market is trying to do. There's a trend over here. If you guys can see that, let's just go back to the H1. I've seen a certain trend there that price is trying to create, though, even though we were still in a downtrend. Yeah, all right, that's what's up. So there's this channel over here that price is trying to play around. Okay, So how will we take this market? So probably I might expect that price to play around this zone for some time, just like this, then now break to the upper side. Okay, that's what's up. So when that happens, that is maybe when we do take our buy entry over there, then stop loss below that zone, first take profit over there, then second take profit there, then maybe the final take profit should be around this zone. That is if the market continues to play around this, should we call this symmetrical triangle or just a triangle, whichever. So if as long as price continue respecting this trend line over here, this one, and that is what we should see, and maybe understand where the previous lower high, of course this is what I'm talking about, maybe over here. If price breaks out of that zone, then that is when you should take your buy entry, but only if that is what the price will do. As you can see, price still in a sideways, of course, but at the same time we also have that trend line. So Audcad, we just have to monitor and try to see what price will be doing. So let's just look for another pair. Let's see what Euro NZD has in store for us. Okay, nice. So at the weekly, this is what is happening though. We need to identify immediate high. We had this zone over here, which was a previous high, of course, that's what's up. And we also have, okay, we have this low, of course, we have that, no problem. And let's continue zooming in, guys. Right, so if I zoom in, I can see a trend over here and also another resistance over here. Okay, so let's hit the daily and see what is happening clearly at the daily. So the daily, this was up, price still in an uptrend though, but of course it's showing us signs of reversal, but not yet. Okay, so we can see that now. Okay, price is trying to drop though, so let's make that neat. So we need to identify a more sensitive zone. Let's head over to the 4 hours. All right, so at the H4, this is what's happening. I can see that there is this zone that price tried to play around for some time though. We need to mark that. So that zone might be a sensitive zone that maybe price trying to go back and retest, of course, because I can see that price is giving us a downtrend. So let's just make this, where is this? Okay, just a minute, let me show you something over here. I need to do this. Okay, let's just do that. So let's go back to the H4 and continue. So at the H4, as I was saying, we can see that price is in a downtrend, guys. It's price in a downtrend, of course. At the same time, this might be a flag. Remember, this is what I'm talking about. Price does this, was in an uptrend, then now start doing correction for some times, right? Correction, then now continues to the up, right? So that's just a flag, continuation pattern, right? So let's see, let's continue understanding what the price is doing. So for now, I believe we're still in a downtrend though, which is still in a correction form. So look at this is the downtrend. Okay, so that's the downtrend. So how will we take this market? We still need to identify some zones though before making a decision. Let's go to the H1. Okay, H1, this is what's happening. Okay, nice. So the H1 already, price has already started going up. That's what's up. I can see something. That's what's up. Let me just go to the 15 and explain what I'm talking about. There was this downtrend over here, right? There's this downtrend. Okay, there's that. So okay, that's what's up. Should we do this? Yeah, that makes sense. That will make sense though. Okay, that's what's up. So that's what's just happening. The 15, you can see that okay, the downtrend is somehow done. And let me see something over here. We just need to make sure everything is perfect. Okay, I don't know, that makes sense. Let's see, this makes sense though. So we can see that that is what's happening. So now we are going to look for our sell entries, gang. Okay, so this is what's up. We have this highest zone over here. So all we just need to do is to wait for price to come back and retest this zone. Okay, as you can see, price has already started doing that. We just need price to go back before now making our sell entry. Let's head over to the H1. Let me show you something. Okay, so how will we take our sell entry? This is what I'm talking about. We need price to do this. As usual, you can see price has already started going up, so we need price. Probably this market might come back to test this zone before going up. Okay, then if price touches this resistance, we won't take our sell entry immediate. Okay, we need price to go back, probably to give us new low, then maybe go back to give us maybe a double top, and we need to identify this previous higher low just like this. And now if price breaks out of this zone over here, that means that the uptrend is done. At the hourly, we need 1 hour candlestick to close bearish below that previous lower, higher low. Then make your entry there, then your stop loss should be over here, then swing it all the way down. That's what's up. So that is what I will be expecting. All right, for now I won't take any buy entry over here or sell entry. Just need price to go back and retest this trend line over here, that resistance. That's what's up. So Euro NZD should be in my watch list too, and that's what's up. Let me see something once again. Okay, so let's continue. Let me look at another pair. See the weekly. So for now we have 2 pairs, but before making any decision, guys, we still have to understand what the market will be doing. Okay, it might take time, guys. It might take time, so it's just all about patience. All right, so I can see that the GBP card price did this. That's what's up. And okay, we also have this zone over here that price tried to play around for quite some time. Okay, so at the same time, price did approach that resistance in a certain nature. That means price was having a good sign of reversal, because that, of course, we have a contraction channel, and I've always said that anytime you see a contraction channel, then be ready for reversals. Okay, at the same time, we've seen that this zone over here that I did draw some minutes ago over here, you can see proved somehow to be strong. So that might be a sensitive zone that we should watch out and see what price might try to do. And of course, we can see that price already broke out of this trend line over here. And let's just be neat. That's what's up. So let's hit that H4 and try to understand what the market is doing. Okay, and okay, we can see we had also this zone over here that price also did respect, but has already broken. If you check to your left over here, you can see price respected the same zone. Let me zoom in for you to see. You can see that price respected that zone. Okay, so now price has already touched this zone. So what are we expected to do? We are still in a downtrend, guys. Okay, and we have impulse movement. We have not seen any correction so far, so we can see maybe do this and do this. So somehow price trying to approach the support in an expanding type of nature. All right, that's just another how do I say, this is just another sign that okay, the price not yet ready to go to the upside. So this might be just another sign that this market will just continue dropping, but in an expanding way. So for now, I don't see anything on this joint, but I will try to understand when the market opens before making my decision. Okay, I'll just leave that. Let me go and see what's happening. Eurocad, let's see here. Okay, let's expand this. So Eurocad, we also have to identify we had this zone over here And okay, we need to understand another zone and identify. Okay, we had this zone over here that price did respect for some times, of course. That's what's up. And let's continue. So okay, when we do this, price broke, of course. I can see that. And let's see, do this. Okay, let's head over to the daily. Remember, we're still trying to understand what market did and what it's trying to do before making decisions. Okay, so as usual, you can see Eurocad touched the previous high, then broke out from this contraction channel, which was a great one. But we also have a zone over here which is somehow sensitive, guys. Price has respected that zone for some time. All right, so that's what's up. Let's give let's head over to the H4. The same way I'm doing this analysis, guys, you might also maybe look other pairs and try to see if you can get something. All right, look at that. There was that expanding channel, then price broke out of that expanding channel as usual, then gave us a new structure. That's what's up. So we can see we had the first touch over here, second come on, what's happening? So we had the first touch, second touch over here, just a minute, second touch, and now maybe, of course, price was supposed to give us the third touch, but then broke. So probably that might be the news that was out maybe last week. Okay, so that's what's up. That is not a signal yet that now the market is trying to change direction to go down, of course. So we just need to understand, wait and see what the price will be doing. We also had that trend line over here. Okay, so first touch over here, second touch, then the third market broke out of that. So that's what's up. So let's hit H1. On this Eurocard, I believe I can see some buy potential, but nothing yet. We still need to make sure that the market has already given us clear indication and sign to go up. Okay, but not yet though, not yet. So this one will also be main watch list. So I'll just try to see what the market will try to give. Okay, for now I can't see anything. Let me go back to the H1 and see something. Okay, so for now I can see that the market has broken that. Okay, so how will we approach this market? Let me tell you something over here, guys. We can see that the market is in a sensitive zone, a zone that has been respected for some time. Look at this when you check on your left, right? So I can't see any sign that okay, we are ready to go to the upper side or to the downside. Okay, so for us to to make a decision that okay, now it's time to go down, maybe we need price to break out of this structure. Okay, we need price to do that, break out from this previous structure. Okay, but that will not give us a sign to take our sell entry. This is what I'm talking about. Break, create new high, lower low, then go back to give us a new lower high. Okay, identifying that, then we should identify that okay, now price gave us a new lower low in this zone. So that is when we should be waiting for our break of structure in that zone. Now make my sell entry over there, stop loss above that zone. Now we should now swing and target the previous zone. That price, of course, will try to go and retest. We should be this. Okay, so that should be a clear one, maybe just like that. Okay, so that is what's up. That is what might happen. Okay, if price continues dropping, if price tries to go up, then we should understand okay, price needs to give us new structures, higher high, then comes back to give us a new higher low. That means if this price wants to go up, it needs to break out of the new higher high that it did create over here, just like that. Identify that new higher high just like this, and if it breaks, then now we are in for buys. Okay, stop loss below that zone. Then now, as usual, we can see that this zone also proved to be somehow strong. So you just need to identify that zone, maybe first take profit then the second take profit. That's what's up. Okay, so it's just the I mean it's two-way. Okay, so first we need to understand what the market will be doing. Okay, for now we've not seen any early entry, so let's continue. So for now I have three. Let's go back to the weekly and see what Gbpjpy Audcad has in store for us. I will avoid that. I don't see anything. Let's continue, baby. Gbpnzd. Okay, yeah, I can see something over here. That's what's up. But the Gbpnzd, I can see we were in a downtrend, of course, and then price, okay, try to do that. So let me remove this. And already, actually, should I start? Yeah, let me start new drawing. This is what I'm talking about. Price is still in a downtrend, just like this. Okay, so now I can see that price gave us the first touch over here, second touch. Now is going back to give it the third touch. At the same time, we had a sensitive zone over here, which was a resistance that I believe maybe price tried to play around. So let's hit the daily and see what the market has in store for us. Okay, that's what's up. So I need to zoom in. Okay, we can see that the market was in an uptrend, of course, just like that, okay, that's what's up. And I can see that the market did break that. Let's hit H4. That's what's up, baby. That's what's up. Okay, so I can see that the market did break out of this support of our trend line. Of course, that's what I'm talking about. So with that, we need to identify some zones the market might try to go and retest. So first, we can see the market gave us a new structure over there. Okay, and then that was broken. That's a good sign for sell entry? Not yet. We just need to wait, be patient, gang, before making any decision. Okay, we can see there was this zone that price tried to respect for some time. Okay, that's what's up. Nice one, thank you. Oh yeah, as you can see, that is where the price is actually currently in. So let's hit the H1. That's what's up, thank you. Okay, and the H1, this is what's happening. Of course, I can see that the market still in a downtrend though. All right, thank you. Downtrend, that's what's up. Okay. So the market is kinda dirty. I can't see new structures being formed over here. Look at this. I don't understand what the market is trying to do over there. Okay, let me go and see what's happening at the 15. Okay, that's what's up. I can't see anything though. Let me try to add more trend lines. We had this. Okay, and yeah, okay, that was some contraction. Okay, let's try to understand what's happening. So the market did break. Okay, there was certain previous zone over here. Okay, all right, I can see that is the zone that the market is trying to respect. So it broke, came back, or retest, did this some more crazy, gang. Should this be a sign of a continuation? Let me try and see something over here, guys. You need to understand this joint. Should that be? Let me see that clearly at the H1. I mean the 1 minute. Right, somehow, yeah, it's somehow, yeah, this is symmetrical triangle, guys, I believe so. Yeah, so just a matter of time. We need to see where price will break out of. We need to see where the market is going to break out of. Probably breaks out just like this, then we go for buys, right? Take a buy entry over here. This is crazy. Sometimes the market won't give you clear structures until you do zoom in, right? And if it breaks out to the downside, we should do this, wait for that breakout. I mean, this zone over here, the market should give us a new structure just like this, and I do this just like that. Okay, if that do not happen, you just need to understand what the market's trying to create. Okay, just patience, guys, patience, you need to understand. But basically it has a good potential of dropping, but before that, making decision, we need to understand what the market will be doing. Okay, all right, so GBP, I should add that. Let me see, Euro USD. So far, yeah, 1 2 3 4 pairs. Okay, nothing USD yen, nothing USD card. I don't like that. Aussie NZD, let me see, nothing though. GBP JPY, nothing. Okay, let me see something over here. I did analyze this, right? Yeah, so GBP JPY, let me try to understand. Okay, price was in downtrend, broke that, went up. Okay, no problem, let's hit the daily and see what's happening. Okay, let's go back to the H1. All right, so GJ, this is what was happening. Market doing this. Okay, created that, right? I was seeing something over here, so I'll remove this. I mean, impulse movement correction, impulse correction tried to give us the impulse. Now it's trying to give us another correction, which must be clear, the 15 or the 1 minute. Yeah, this is what I'm talking about, baby. So red, let's say we are just late for our sell entry. We should have taken that sell entry over here, that is, but there's no problem though. Okay, so for now I believe price might continue doing this, then now continue doing that. So let's see what is happening at the 1 hour. Okay, so that's what's up. We can see, okay, yeah, price actually still in an uptrend though, still in an uptrend. Should we make a trend line over here? Come on, let's see if it makes sense. Yeah, somehow it's making some sense. Yeah, I believe so. That was what's up, because I think this is generally, this is just a continuation pattern. Call it a flag. Maybe this happened. Now price just in a correction type of nature before going up. All right, so that's what's up. We should watch out also GJ and try to see what the market will be doing. For now, already we've known what the market is trying to do, but at the same time, when the market opens, we will be seeing and identify the new structure that the market will be giving us. All right, so with that, then identify the support and the resistance. If they are broken, then now you just need to make your decision whether to buy or take a sell. All right, that's what's up. This should be what's up. So I don't want to look into other pairs. 1 2 3 4 5, right? 1 2 3 4 5, those are great, and should be waiting on to those. All right, so guys, maybe if you came to the end with me, you might consider smashing that subscribe button if you learned something from this. All right, and we'll highly appreciate. Thank you, gang, and maybe see you next time, man. Adios, amigos.